Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, is it worth your money? Samsung S24 is powered by a 4900 mAh battery, offering impressive battery life. The Galaxy S24 series has received a lot of criticism for repackaging the previous generation with a pinch of some AI features, and that critique seems quite appropriate. Among the various Galaxy S24 models, the S24 stands out as the one I'd genuinely consider purchasing, and there are several factors behind this preference. Galaxy S24 specifications. When it comes to the hardware, Samsung hasn't made many changes in terms of design. Both the Galaxy S24 and S24 offer a flat display in back with 3 cameras on the rear. The main difference this year is the matte aluminium frame instead of a glossy one, giving it a sleek, modern look. Whether you prefer this aesthetic or not is a matter of personal taste, but it's a slight yet noticeable change. The Galaxy S24 feels comfortable in your hand with the slightly larger 6.7-inch display providing a crisp viewing experience. The display's higher peak brightness also comes in handy, especially in bright sunlight. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't have the same glare resistance as the Ultra model, according to 9to5 Google software. In terms of software, One UI is beloved by many users. One UI 6.1 brings a host of new features that enhance the user experience. One UI runs smoothly on the Galaxy S24, and features like customizable lock screens and always-on display wallpapers add to its appeal. AI features. Now let's talk about AI. The Galaxy S24 is packed with AI features thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. From AI-powered keyboard suggestions to text translation and image editing, AI is integrated into various aspects of the phone's functionality. While some features may not be used frequently, they showcase Samsung's commitment to incorporating AI into everyday tasks. Battery. The S24 is powered by a 4900 mAh battery, offering impressive battery life on the phone. You can expect a full day's use with some juice left to spare, even with the high-resolution display. Camera. When it comes to the camera, the Galaxy S24 offers a familiar setup with a 50MP main sensor. It's supported by a 10MP telephoto lens and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. While image quality has improved compared to previous models, there's still room for enhancement, especially in post-processing.